Baleno owners frequently experience frozen screens and audio problems with their infotainment systems. These issues typically stem from software glitches, connectivity problems, or faulty cables. Let's walk through the most effective troubleshooting steps. Step 1. Check your cable quality. Many infotainment issues are caused by faulty or non-certified cables. Even cables that appear genuine may cause connectivity problems and system freezing. Step 2. Check for software updates. Always install major updates before security patches, as installing them in the wrong order can cause update complications and system instability. Step 3. Perform a system reboot. If your screen is frozen or unresponsive, a simple restart can often resolve temporary software glitches and restore normal functionality. Step 4. Try a factory reset. If problems persist after rebooting, a factory reset will restore your infotainment system to its default settings, potentially resolving deeper software issues. Step 5. Disconnect the car battery. As a last resort, disconnecting the battery for a short period can reset the entire electrical system, including the infotainment unit. Step 6. Document the issues. Record videos of the problems when they occur, as these issues can be intermittent. This documentation will be invaluable when visiting service centers for professional assistance. Software updates are crucial for fixing bugs and improving the performance of your Baleno's infotainment system. However, the update process itself can sometimes be problematic. Ensure a stable Wi-Fi connection during updates to prevent interruptions. A poor connection can cause update failures and system instability. If updates fail, visit a Maruti Suzuki service center. However, some users have reported unhelpful technicians, so be prepared to clearly demonstrate the issues. If the service center cannot resolve the problem, escalate the issue to Maruti Suzuki's customer support. Keep detailed records of all service visits and communications. In some cases, persistent issues may require a replacement of the infotainment system unit, especially if the car is still under warranty. Stay informed about the latest software versions and connectivity improvements to ensure seamless integration with your smartphone. Regular updates help maintain optimal performance.